like, okay, what oils, Lance? Like, or hey, what kit? Or, hey, I heard about LRP. Let me get on that too, because I got some stuff I need to replace in my health, bathroom, kitchen cabinet. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about where to buy doTERRA essential oils for the best value, and why that's so important. Well, there's lots of places where you can buy doTERRA. Actually, there's only a few. But one is doTERRA.com, Amazon for the people who are being non-compliant with doTERRA policy, which you don't want to do. And then also just somebody that you know, like, and trust, and somebody that provides, that excellent response time. So there's basically three ways that you can do it. You got the company, you got Amazon, and other websites that are like it, like eBay or Etsy or stuff where you can purchase. Which again, that's not with doTERRA policy. So if you see somebody doing that, you're gonna have to question their ethics on stuff or their awareness of policy, which you just don't want to go down that road. And then also the third route is just through a person locally or online that you find. And let's talk about that third thing though, all right? Because I've talked about the doTERRA.com route because you're just assigned somebody that you don't know, like, or trust. But you want to go with somebody that you do know, like, and trust. And so this is Jordan Belfort's, 3-10s rule. And it basically says that we make a purchasing decision when we know, like, and trust the person, we know, like, and trust the product, and we know, like, and trust the company. So it's so important for us to understand those things. And you have where you are today and where you want to be. And there's this action threshold that gets lowered every time that know, like, and trust factor goes up for those three elements, the person, the product, and the company. And so as those move from 0 to 5 to 10 and everything, I'm going up in this way, but it really is the action threshold's going down, and it's really creating a bridge from where you are to where you want to be with your health. And so for some people, they just want to get retail because they're just want to dip their toes in the water. They don't want to make any commitments. They don't want to join anything. They don't want to sell the oils. They don't want to buy monthly, and you don't have to do any of that. You don't have to sell the oils. You don't have to do it as a business. You don't have to buy monthly. You can get them retail, or you can get them wholesale as a wholesale customer, which is what most people do, and that's perfectly fine, and that's what I tell my clients as well. And so it's like yoga. It's super flexible, right? I mean, those were non-yoga poses, but the principle's still there in that awkward facial expression that you saw, but less awkward on the doTERRA purchase side, because you can really just get what you want, match your needs with the solution. And really the advantage of choosing doTERRA is that, hey, when you look at oils on the store shelf at the Sprouts, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, health food store, wherever, they don't tell you how to use it. I mean, yeah, it's kind of on the bottle, but benefits, uses, best uses, frequency, number of drops, what do I do when this happens, what if that, you don't get that. And you won't get it from the cashier either. It'll probably give you a blank stare and, hey, why don't you just Google it, buddy, or pal, or whoever you are. Like, that's not helpful. And so doTERRA's business model is focused on individuals helping individuals through word of mouth, which is the most effective form of marketing and the oldest form of marketing. And so it really just focuses on word of mouth or referral or network marketing, if you've heard of it, or MLMs. And again, some people are like, hey, I don't want to be a part of an MLM or pyramid scheme or anything like that. And the reality is that you don't have to be. You can just buy the oils, use them at a discount as a wholesale customer, which is just like Costco and all that. And they're like, hey, well, isn't there lines of compensation? Yes, there's levels of compensation in Costco. There's levels of compensation in any corporation, from the CEO down to the employee. I mean, just because you're not paying somebody directly through more of a sales transaction doesn't mean that's not happening in any company. There's always going to be financial transactions that have to pay for staffing and for employees and health insurance and overhead and lighting and bills, and I mean you're paying for all that with places like Costco. But with network marketing, you're just paying for the product, and that person is just helping you as a part of the value add service. Like, you're not paying for their service. They're giving you their time, which is arguably the most valuable resource in the world, because you don't get that back, right? And so it's helpful for me to do videos because it captures my time and presents it in a way that people can watch anytime they want, so they get the convenience of it. But when I'm working with clients and people individually, that time I never get back. I don't get paid for that time except for through the product purchase. And it's the value for value exchange that's happening. Somebody's saying, hey, the level of personalized support, the level of education that I'm getting, and the product that's high quality is worth more than my money. And so I'm going to give you my money in exchange for all that you just gave me, and I'm going to be happy with it because it was worth more than my money. And that's the value for value exchange. And that's what makes that interaction so powerful when people value that and I'm dancing when they're ready for that, because not everybody is. Some people are like MLM, some people are like essential oil, some people are like a person. People are just all the time, with the sound effects. I don't know what it is, but that's fine. And for me, I'm like, I don't take it personal. I talk to the next person, I move towards the people that move towards me, and I remember some will, some won't, so what, someone's waiting. I focus on the people who are most interested in taking care of their health, taking their health to the next level, using natural solutions, using essential oils, and I keep it moving. I don't ever forget about the people that I've talked to, but I don't dwell on it and like try to hard sell or force them to buy something. No, I want to give so much value that people are guilted into buying with me. It's like guilt-based marketing. I'm giving you so much free education, so much value, so much support that you're just like, man, I really should probably open up my wallet and give him some money, just to give him some money, or, okay, I'm probably some oils too, because I do have, some things with my health that I need support with, like, okay, what oils, Lance, or hey, what kit, or, hey, I heard about LRP, let me get on that too, because I got some stuff I need to replace in my health, bathroom, kitchen, cabinet. Heard you talk about that too. Like, I'm ready to transform my life, Lance. Let's do it, right? And so that's really what it's about, and that's what it was for me, and I just try to lead by example on that. And when it comes to, hey, where do I buy doTERRA essential oils? Again, somebody that you know, like, and trust, and provides excellent response time. And I would say anything within 24 hours is going to be best in class or world class. Anything within 48 hours is just kind of like, just business practice. And anything after 48 hours is just not really good for creating some type of like health relationship or where you can feel valued or at least heard versus ignored, or rejected. Like, you don't want that. So now if they're on vacation or something happened to their phone, they lost it, and that's different. But just keeping all that in mind, maybe hit them up on email, hit them up in text, or something like that. And that's how people reach out to me. It's fine. It's like I respond within 24 hours, almost all cases, and then sometimes it may take a little longer than that, depending on what I got going on and other clients that I'm helping or people or things like that. And so, but I get back with people because I value the follow up. I don't like feeling ignored or people ghosting me or disappearing on me out of nowhere. So I try not to do that to other people, especially when they're reaching out. And so that's really important for me. But other than that, hey, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates. And most importantly, hit the links in the description below so you can learn how to either get started with doTERRA or check out some of my other videos if you're more in kind of learn mode and just want to kind of feel things out a little bit more. So other than that, we'll see you in the next video.